Hi folks, and welcome back to my channel, where I try to bring you along with me on my outdoor adventures in Sweden and Norway. Today I would like to show you all the food I brought to my 2-day hiking trip to the mountains. I started late in the evening, so the first thing I ate was my dinner. I brought a self-made dried noodle soup, which was just the perfect meal for a cold evening, and is very easy and cheap to prepare. First of all, you need 30 grams of leek, 50 grams of carrots and 30 grams of celery. As we want to dry them, you will have to cut them quite small. This makes it easier to get the water out and to rehydrate them later back on trail. I steamed the veggies for 10 minutes before they are ready for the oven. I also added 50 grams of frozen vegan chicken, which I also chopped quite small. No matter if you eat meat or not, taking vegan stuff to the mountains is a super good alternative, as most of the time it does not need to be cooled and has lots of protein while being super light. Last but not least, I added 30 grams of frozen peas and spread everything on a baking tray. I dried the meal in the oven at 50 degrees Celsius, which is about 120 degrees Fahrenheit, for 5 hours. It is super important to not dry at higher temperatures, as otherwise you start to lose all the nutritious stuff. Together with 50 grams of fast cooking noodles and a vegetable bouillon cube, the meal is ready for the trail and only weighs 100 grams. As soon as I get to camp, I soak the dried stuff together with the bouillon cube in 350 milliliters of water, and once I'm ready to cook, I boil the water with the dry mix inside. Once the water is boiling, I add the noodles and let them cook for about 3 minutes, depending on what kind of noodles you brought. And then the super rich and nutritious soup is ready to eat. I woke up super early and did not eat breakfast straight away, but I made myself a cup of tea. I always bring a lot of different flavors, as tea is my secret weapon to lift me up and to feel comfy on a long day in the mountains. After a few steps on the trail, I ate a chocolate bar, of which I brought 2. On top of the mountain I prepared my breakfast, which was just a ready-to-eat porridge with vanilla and chia seeds. I just had to add some boiling water. Depending on where you live, you can find these sorts of food in supermarkets or drugstores, and they are way cheaper than the freeze-dried outdoor food you can find in outdoor stores. After breakfast, I made my way back to the car as I had a long drive home ahead of me. I ended up eating the lunch I planned to eat on the hike back in the car. Crisp bread with peanut butter. And another snack I always bring are nuts, just perfect for the trail. I hope this video was helpful and you found some new inspiration for your next adventure. I am just now planning a kayaking trip in Sweden. Consider subscribing if you would like to come along. I hope to see you soon. Bye.